Hello good people, this is Shankar from Music Production Hub. Today we are going to unbox a high-end audio interface, Zentour by Antelope Audio. Antelope audio interfaces and converters are as competent as other manufacturers like UAD, Lynx and Apogee. Antelope Audio have migrated to the manufacturing of high-end audio interfaces from their established Masterclock hardwares. Okay, that was a brief introduction about Antelope Audio. Now let's come back to Zentour. The Zentour is a compact but fully packed desktop audio interface. It has lots of input-output with the internal DSP processing. Technically, it's not DSP, it's called FPGA. So we are getting lots of analog modeled quality effects from Antelope Audio in this device. What is special with Zentour is it's a hybrid audio interface. That is, we are getting both the USB 2.0 and Thunderbolt 2 connectivity with the device. This is the revised 2017 edition of Zentour. There is a first generation of Zentour and now Antelope has released its third generation, that is Zentour Synergy Core. The device is priced around $1,500. The pan-Indian price will be around 1.6 lakhs. Okay, now let's unbox the device. The product has been cased in a very good packaging. This side of the package shows some of the available FPGA effects and the product specifications in detail. So this is our Antelope Audio Zentour. It's fairly heavy but compact and quite handy. Now I will keep the device aside and check what is inside the box. Here is the USB cable provided with the device. It's USB 2.0. This is the power adapter provided with the device. It is 18 volt with 1.3 ampere rated. The power adapter has a locking mechanism to secure the connector to the device safely. As I said earlier, the device is a hybrid audio interface with both USB 2.0 and Thunderbolt 2 on board. Antelope uses good quality USB chips within the device. This provides high data transfer, more USB streams with low latency. Okay, I am keeping the box and accessories aside. Now we will go to the main device. So this is the Antelope Audio Zentour. I am repeating the name Antelope to familiarize you all with the company and the product. The front panel has a big color touchscreen. All device functions can be accessed on screen during operation. There are 3 function buttons provided on the front panel. So with these buttons you can select different preamps for adjusting the gain and the headphone level selection, and other system settings can be done. Antelope has provided a robust routing control panel for greater flexibility. The control panel can be used as a patch bay for routing different inputs to different outputs. Next, there is a big rotary control which can be used to control the preamp gain, the headphone levels and the monitoring levels. Near that, there is a dedicated talkback button. Zentour has provided a dedicated talkback microphone inside the device that you can see here. So there is no need of an extra talkback microphone. Talkback signals can be routed to the headphones and the monitor outputs. Okay, now we will go to the front panel connections. So if we come to the front panel, there are 2 headphone outputs provided here. Both the headphone outputs can have its own mixes sent to different artists. These headphone amplifiers are clean and powerful. It can handle high impedance headphones for mixing and mastering. Next, we have 2 reamp outputs. Using these outputs, you can send the already recorded guitar signal to amps and cabinets. So when the artist is really busy and you have a quite large session to record, you can do the dry guitar first and later you can send the recorded guitar signals through the reamp outputs and it can be fed to guitar amplifiers, guitar cabinets or stomp boxes as you like. This feature will definitely help you to save the artist's recording time during recording. These reamp outputs are transformer coupled too. Next, we have 4 line inputs / high impedance inputs. So you can connect 4 guitars directly to the interface using these ports. These inputs can be switched to high Z or line input using the Antelope control panel. Antelope's FPGA effects includes guitar amps and cabinets. So you can send your guitar signals directly to the Antelope effects and do the processing. Now we will go to the rear panel. So you can see 4 mic line combi jacks here. These are high-end mic preamps which will provide you 65 dB of gain. The Antelope AD converters are providing 124 dB of dynamic range. Unlike other interfaces, Antelope has an inbuilt mic modeling technology within the device. Using an Antelope modeling mic, you can emulate the sound of different high-end microphones like Sony C800G, Neumann U87, Neumann U67, Neumann TLM103, AKG C414, Shure SM7B, and a long list of small diaphragm microphones also. In addition to the microphone modeling, Antelope has also included some preamp models inside the FPG effects. So you can color your microphone sounds with different preamp emulations. Next, Antelope has provided 2 sets of monitor outputs, monitor A and monitor B. You can switch between these 2 monitors within the Antelope control panel. And the DA converter of the monitor outputs provide a high dynamic range of 129 dB. So you can do some good mixing and mastering using these high-end converters. So with the Centaur, you don't need to use a dedicated monitor controller. Antelope control panel provides monitor switching and dedicated talkback controls. Next, we have SpeedIF inputs and outputs using RCA jacks. Using SpeedIF, you can send and receive audio and clocking signals. Next, we have 8 analog outputs on this DB25 connector. The wiring is in the Tascam style. So these DB25 outputs can be used to send the signal to a summing mixer, or you can use DB25 to XLR or TRS converters. I used the Centaur to do some 5.1 mixing. For that purpose, I used a DB25 to XLR snake. Next, we are going to look at the most exciting feature of this device, that is, we have the Thunderbolt 2 and USB 2.0 on board. So many traveling users are using the Centaur. So you can connect your laptop to Centaur using USB. Also, you can connect the Thunderbolt to a Mac or a PC. Antelope devices are fully compatible with both Mac and Windows. You can use a Windows machine with the Thunderbolt or USB. Also, you can connect a Mac machine with the Thunderbolt and USB. The Thunderbolt bus provides 32 channels of I/O and USB provides 24 buses I/O. The Thunderbolt and USB provide a very low latency performance with the device. Next, we have the option to connect the power adapter. The adapter provides 25 watts of power. This is the most interesting feature I have ever seen in a portable desktop interface. You are getting 16 channels of ADAT I/O with the Centaur. So using these ADAT ports, you can expand the connectivity of your Centaur. You can connect an external preamp with the ADAT outputs to the Centaur using these ADAT ports. Also, you can use these ADAT ports to send the clocking signal to some other audio interfaces, or you can connect a digital mixer using these ADAT ports. As a pioneer in the clocking industry, Antelope has provided a very good clocking hardware inside the unit. You are getting Antelope's 4th generation acoustically focused clocking with oven-controlled crystal oscillator inside the device. The device works with a sample rate from 32 kHz to 192 kHz with 24 bits. Altogether, the Centaur is a great package from Antelope. There are more videos coming about the Centaur control panel and its routing capabilities. I hope this video is informative for you. See you on the next video. Goodbye.